Hello, konnichiwa, Kuniko desu. Let's make this origami design. House with love. First, you need a crispy dollar bill and fold it from the bottom to the top, fold it in half horizontally and open up. Then now this time you do it vertically. As a result, you made a cross crease when you open it. But keep it there, and from the bottom, double layer folded. How should I say? That could be like a quarter fold. Look at the half line, and it's about quarter line I am folding. So you have a space in the middle. And open that layers and open squash fold on the folded edge. Do it on the top side too. You do the same thing on the both sides, top and the bottom. Let's make a sharp crease. And next step, I place this origami like this, and from the bottom, pick up the center flap upward, and then upside down, just for the orientation of that. And on the back side, in the middle trapezoid, go up, and then come back to this side. From the top corner to the left bottom, you fold diagonally. This is a square, so it will fold very precisely, nicely. And you made an X crease when you open it on this square on the top. And in the middle, horizontally crossing the midpoint, you will make the cross, which is folding it in half from top to the bottom. And at this point, making it into balloon base, let me show you slowly. So I slow down the speed. Follow the pre-crease, and from the top, you will open the top part to a triangle shape and flatten it. You are not making any new crease. You just follow the pre-creases. Let's do next. From here, pick up the bottom one layer to the top of the triangle and do the same on the opposite side. It's only one layer. Please pay attention to that. For the next step, let's focus on the triangle part. The roof part, the small triangle you just folded, that's where we are going to fold it. I enlarged it a little bit and I slowed this part so that you can see better. So the top tip will be folded to the side corner of this small triangle, and it's a mountain fold, which is folding it to the back side. And what you are making is a hard part on the rooftop. And this is a half of the heart. And you will be doing the same thing on the opposite side. Let's see, the top of the small triangle layer will be folded almost like a tucked in towards the side of the triangle. And when you did that, it looks like pointy heart in the roof, in the triangle. And this is very pointy, so I'm going to round it by folding the tip of the heart. It's very tiny, just to shape up to the look of the heart, which is round. And this part, it's really up to your eyes. I like it this way, but you can change that. You can do your own way. It's very tedious because the dollar bill is very small, but if you really sharp crease, if you really make it tight, it will stay. For the next step, turn it over to the back side, and I choose left side, but you can choose right side. It's just one side you choose, and open the vertical flap and fold the edge, not all the way to the vertical crease you have, but halfway. And then next, you will fold from the right bottom corner to the crease you already had. That makes the chimney. Fold the bottom to the top, and how far do you go up? Here's the corner of the chimney, and that kind of line up with the roof diagonal line. And then when you turn it over, that is the house with love.